Hi, there's Jonas again, JB again at the field. It's about 6:40 a.m. on Sunday, June 14th, I believe. And I'm about to fly the Yak 54. I'm just making my way to the bench. It can take a couple of minutes to get there. I'm gonna plug in the battery. Well, firstly and foremost, turn on the transmitter, the radio transmitter, and then plug in the battery. Boot up the ESC, electronic speed controller. Check the motor, see if everything's working, and then control services, motor, see if there's power to take off. A lot of water around here, and then we're gonna do that. See how it flies. Wind's coming from the back, from behind me, should I say. Lock and load. I'm here to chew bubblegum and kick ass, but I'm all out of bubblegum. You know, I have a funny... Okay, we got a fine lawnmower. We don't have an RC plane ready to take off. We have a very fine lawnmower. Unfortunately, I went through the procedure of the ESC and the transmitter. I gotta clean the lens now. It's full of grass and has grass and water on it. Doesn't look like I'm gonna be flying this plane anytime soon because I doesn't want to take off. I did the fine procedure. Transmitter with ESC, but still it's the same power as before. It's not strong enough to take off. That didn't help. I I calibrated the ESC to the transmitter, so I thought I did. I still don't have takeoff power. Okay. I thought I did the procedure properly, but calibrating throttle stick to ESC, but it's not working. I still don't have the punch to take off. It's not getting off the ground again. This is ridiculous. No go, daddy. No go. Let me try that recalibrating procedure once again. I've seen videos on YouTube. I've had people tell me how to do it in person. I've also read instructions on how to do it, but I'll try that again, see if situation's kind of ridiculous at this stage, because I've been flying electric planes for almost 8-9 years now, and oh boy, my arm's hurting. Never had this problem before, never had this issue with ESC, and I've never really had to adjust the ESC for planes. For cars, RC cars, I have adjusted them, but for RC planes I've never adjusted them. So, but it's not hard to get this right, and it's not happening for me right now. I guess I'll try it again. Anyways, I'll turn off the camera now, and if I get the power back, I'll turn the camera back on and I'll fly. I'll film the flight. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.